Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. So in today's vlog it is starting off when we're still in Gladstone at Gladstone Backpackers. We were working for accommodation at that hostel, and then in the middle of the video our plans kind of change and we end up in Gold Coast. So keep watching this video just to see our journey throughout kind of March to April. Yeah, it's just a lot of random clips, and then at the end I have like a day in my life. So yeah, follow my socials as well if you aren't already, and subscribe if you haven't. I will be doing more vlogs and you can request videos for me to do, but yeah, let's just get into it right now. We're at the Lookout, guys. We bought cider and crackers.
Yeah. So we
Doing some shopping. We're looking for a phone, and I think this counts as trespassing.
Oh, normal Australians, if you do that, they do it back. It's like the fucking hang out.
I can't even see it. We're on our way to McDonald's because I'm going to upload a video again. Or 2 videos. So we just found this store that we haven't been in before, and they have cookies and everything. So now we're going crazy in here. Good morning everyone. Today it's Tuesday the 17th of March, so St. Patrick's Day. It's our friend Bella's last day here. She's been volunteering with us now for about 2-3 weeks, and then hopefully we're going to be following her in a few weeks when they have more places at her hostel that she's going to work at in Rainbow Beach. But due to the coronavirus outbreak, like, it's been crazy. These just in like a matter of 3 days it's gone so big, so we don't know when we're going to get spots there because like people aren't traveling anymore. But yeah, today we're going with a friend we met in the clubs. She's going to take us to the beach, Tannum. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. We just got done with all our chores. We were really slow today for some reason. We were just chilling. It's 12:30. That's what's going on. Oh my god, crocodiles. So we're at this place and there's a swing. I'm scared. Which bench?
That thing. On the other tree.
Oh yeah, oh my god, it does not look sturdy.
I want to go sit
What, at the very top?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You can try.
Shut up.
Okay guys, I'm showing you my new favourite meal. It's this mee goreng noodle pack. And you just add these and some other spices. And then I add frozen vegetables. It's so good. Hi guys, so kind of change in plan. We messaged lots of hostels in Gold Coast yesterday, and they already replied yesterday saying they were looking for volunteers. So we're going to Paradise, Surfers Paradise tomorrow, already Friday tomorrow, which is, I don't know, it's so exciting. And we're gonna get a ride down with our friend Connor. So we're gonna stay in Brizzy one night tomorrow and just party, look around. I don't know, we haven't been to Brisbane before, so that's gonna be cool. And then we're probably just gonna take the train to Surfers Paradise somehow. I don't know, we'll figure it out. I think it's quite a common route. So now we have to pack again, all of our things. We just packed and moved into staff room from our old room because we were actually checked in like a guest room with Bella, the other volunteer, who also she's not here anymore. We were meant to go down and meet her, but we don't know when that's going to be, so yeah, she's in Rainbow Beach. So yeah, I'm just going to pack my things up again and that's what's going on. And I think we're going kayaking today as well, so I'll bring my vlog camera for that. I'm active. Hi. We're going kayaking.
Oh, Charlie!
Wow, we're in Brisbane now. It's so big. We're gonna go get sushi. We just arrived. We're just walking around Brisbane. It's the next day. We're about to go meet up our friend Lavisa, who I met in Bali a year ago, and we're gonna have brunch. We're gonna go to West End. It's a beautiful day. So many cute little brunch places. So we're waiting for our bus. It goes in 17 minutes. I mean our train. This is our first time using public transport in Australia, I think. It's crazy. So we're gonna hop off at Helensvale and then we're changing trains so we get to Surfers Paradise North, and then it's just a 1-minute walk to the hostel, which is amazing. We got some snacks. I got some salt and vinegar crisps and some sushi, and we got some berries. It's currently 21st of March, 10 to 4. We're gonna arrive like 6:15, so yeah. First night in Gold Coast, we just went out, met a few of our colleagues. It's currently just 12 AM and we're already at home. In our hostel room, we're gonna move to staff room tomorrow. Just got Domino's. That's so good. They have so good aircon here. We're so excited, and I am wearing a top. Literally have no idea what time we're getting up tomorrow, like when we're meeting the other staff or anything. I'm gonna go to bed early now, so should be fun and good. We're on the beach in the Gold Coast with Emma. Hi. We're still at our new place in Surfers Paradise. We just started training yesterday, so I'm on reception and Clara's doing housekeeping. So, and today we're going with Emma, the girl we was at the beach with. We're gonna go to Pacific Fairs, and yesterday they announced that they're closing like all the bars and clubs because of coronavirus. Everyone's going crazy, like everyone's going home.
It's true.
So we're in the shopping mall and they've got this fresh food centre. So we're going to get some fresh fruits. I think it'll be much cheaper here. Food shop. Got this from the fresh market. This yogurt. Hey, don't show that. These tiny cute little bananas. Mango. Ah! More bananas. Carrot. An onion. Another onion. Doritos. It's movie night tonight. Some guacamole to go with it. And we got these snacks. Wow, a lot of snacks. And this. Want to do a cover? Wow. Oh yeah, we got cookies as well.
$1.
So good. And this for the Doritos. Matchy. On brand. Yeah.
Sweet chili
hummus.
Got that.
Chili, sweet chili hummus. We just attempted to go and watch the sunset, but there was hardly none. And now we're having pizza and movie night at the hostel. so that will be nice. We're getting Domino's, only $5 each for a pizza. It's so cheap. Hi guys, I haven't vlogged for a couple of days, but we've just been partying, having fun at the hostel, and now they had to close down the other hostel, so we're 20 people more, like 20 more staff, so now we're like total of probably 40 staff at the hostel. It's gonna be fun, interesting. We're still really lucky that we can like stay in the hostel with so many of our friends and just have a good time, and we can still go 2 people to the beach, and we need to keep like 1.5 meter distance. So that's what me and Clara are doing right now, because we're off work. We finally have a free day when the sun's out. It's like currently 11 o'clock-ish, and we're just down here by the beach close to our hostel. I don't know, just Surfers Paradise Beach. It's really nice and the weather's amazing. We're just gonna listen to some music, do some reading. Good morning. It's like 5:36 a.m. and me and Tanya got up and we're gonna see the sunrise. So yeah, but it's currently raining and cloudy, so hoping we'll see something. I think we're gonna go down to the beach. Wow. It's dead. I'm just wearing my pajamas and my hoodie. It's 10 o'clock, time for brekkie. Hey guys, so today's a bit of a different day in this hostel. I thought I was going to show you a day in my life here. We got here about 3 weeks ago, just before this whole lockdown, like corona thing got really strict and serious here in Australia. So we're lucky we arrived here. It's in Surfers Paradise. So today, this morning, me and my friend Tanya just went up to see the sunrise. A bit cloudy, a bit rainy, but it was really nice anyway. Then I went back to bed, edited for about 2 hours, fell asleep for an hour. Then we got up at 10 to have breakfast with Emma and Clara. And 2 other Swedish girls left. So today we're moving into this room, which is much bigger and nicer, and our friends are in here. We got mirrors. We didn't have mirrors in the last place. I'll be sleeping in this bunk. And we've got like storage and stuff, so I'm currently gonna like organize a little bit because we want to keep this room nice and clean. And yeah, this is our little view. The blinds are down, but it's nice to have windows at least. I thought I'd bring you along what I'm doing today. We were meant to have a walk to Pack Fair, which is like a 40-minute walk, because we want to get yoga mats from Kmart, but because it's Easter Friday, it's probably closed, so we're probably going to do that tomorrow instead. So this might be like a few-day vlog. But yeah, what you saw this morning was the free breakfast that we got, and you can choose from like cereal or beans, but I normally choose eggs and toast. And yeah, soon we're gonna make some banana ice cream. I might go for a little run. That's what I've been trying to get into the habit now, since beaches are shut. There's not much you can do. So I thought taking care of my body is a good way to start. Okay, let's start unpacking. This is the box my dad sent with me from Sweden for my birthday, with like lots of Swedish sweets and a few games, and like this toilet roll that says for emergencies only, which is kind of funny. She's got an odd orange in there as well. Okay, I just organized our stuff up. This is so cute. On the mirror it says "You're beautiful." So here I've got like basically all my clothes. So here are my pants and my shorts and my skirts, so basically bottom half. Here I have t-shirts and tops, just like all my tops basically. In here I have all my underwear, and behind here I have like long pants, like workout pants, jeans, and a pair of black pants. So I'm just taking up 2, saving I was like saving 2 for Clara. I just put my alcohol and stuff down there. I don't need that bottom one. And then I have put my shoes and period stuff there, and just like electronics there. And then here I've got like my makeup and toiletries, and I'm probably gonna move stuff off there. This is the only thing that's mine, and my phone. It's a cute little room. I love it. I need a shower. Currently raining outside. I kind of want to go for a little little run, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I also need to put a wash on. So Tanya and I are going to make some nice cream. So we froze some bananas last night, and we're going to have some rich cacao blend in it, some vanilla flavoring, a little bit of date syrup. We're going to put blueberries on the top, and then we've got some dark chocolate, and then we're going to use some soy milk. I'm going to start buying so many of those bananas. I'll eat this like every day. Yummy. Final result, guys. It looks so good. This is the kitchen. Everyone is cooking. What are you cooking?
Gnocchi baby, pink gnocchi.
Wow, it looks nice.
Pink is the new black.
So this is the final product. We added some feta cheese as well, some avocado, Instagram behind the scenes. So now Emma and I are gonna put some washing on. Daily chores.
Oh no!
$10 having breakfast. We waited until 10 so we could eat with our friend Emma. We're on our way to get some more discount bananas. And it's raining. Oh my god, nice. Yeah, let's get those. Let's just freeze them all in. We're gonna cut them up and put them in the freezer. Look how much frozen banana we got from that. Wow. Nice cream for days. I think we got like 13, 14 bananas for not even $2. Okay, now I'm gonna make a salad for lunch. So we've got garlic, mushroom and onion in there. And we're gonna put all of the rest of the salad in there. Gonna add more tomatoes, and there's the salad. And some couscous.
Look at all that cheese.
Yeah. Okay, Gigi made this. It's beetroot gnocchi. Looks good. What's the verdict? Yes. And we're watching Shark Tale. So Clara's moved all her things in now as well, and it's currently 22:07. Just had a shower. I was gonna go for a run, but then it got dark out and it's kind of late. Everyone's gonna have dinner now, so I kind of just want to hang out with everyone. So I took a shower, changed into some jeans. Very late, just got dressed at 6 o'clock. Go me. I had an apple as a snack, so I was getting a bit hungry, and then there were some french fries on the table that no one was eating, and they said we could eat them, so I had some of those. And I've just been editing some thumbnails in my new room, and that's basically it. I'm gonna go and hang out with everyone in a minute. Some people are drinking tonight, but I'm working at 8 tomorrow, so we'll see. Don't really feel like drinking. I've been drinking a lot here, which is not good, but yeah. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it, even though it was a little bit all over the place. But if you have any kind of video requests, please do leave them down below, because I'm going to be uploading once a week on Sundays at least, maybe sometimes on Wednesdays as well. Follow my socials to stay updated with when I'll be posting. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!